What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete an appointment schedule in Google Calendar. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Google Calendar or you can type in calendar.google.com. Now, after coming here, just make sure that you are on your correct email account if you manage multiple email accounts and multiple Google Calendars. So first make sure that you are on the correct email account and the correct Google Calendar. Now, after coming here, as you can see here, I have an important schedule for appointment. And here's my appointment schedule. Now, if I want to delete it, I will just simply hover to it and click it once. After clicking, this type of page will open, a small page will open, and then from the right side, you can see the delete appointment schedule. After that, you can choose that you want to delete the appointment for this week, for all weeks, or for permanently deleting the appointment. So I will permanently delete this appointment. After selecting this, I will click on OK. So as you can see, this appointment schedule is deleted. So this is how you can delete an appointment schedule. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.